Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a payment gateway with To build a payment gateway with Stripe, start by visiting the Stripe website. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Once your account is created, log in to your Stripe dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, which is divided into several sections. Navigate to the Developers section on the left sidebar. Under API keys, you will find your publishable and secret keys. These keys are essential for integrating Stripe into your application. Next, set up your development environment. Choose a programming language and framework that suits your project. For this guide, we'll use Node.js, but you can adapt the steps for other languages. Install Node.js on your machine if you haven't done so already. Create a new project directory and initialize it with npm init. Install the Stripe library by running npm install stripe. Create a new file for your server, for example, server.js. In server.js, import the necessary libraries. Use the following code to import the Stripe library. Const stripe equals require stripe your underscore secret underscore key. Replace your underscore secret underscore key with your actual secret key. Next, set up an Express server by adding the following code. Const express equals require express. Const app equals express. Add middleware to parse JSON data with app.use express.json. Create a route to handle payment requests. Use the following code to create a post endpoint at /createPaymentIntent app.post /createPaymentIntent async req res equals. Inside this route, capture the payment amount and currency from the request body. Add code to create a payment intent using the Stripe API. Use the following line of code inside the route. Const payment intent equals await stripe.paymentintents.create amount currency. Return the client secret to the frontend with res.status 200.send client secret payment intent.client underscore secret. Now, set up your frontend to handle the payment. Create an HTML file with a simple payment form. Include the stripe.js library by adding the following script tag. Script src equals https://j.stripe.com/v3//script in the script section, and create an event listener for the payment form submission. When the form is submitted, prevent the default behavior. Collect the necessary data from the form. Call your backend to create a payment intent. Use the Fetch API to send a post request to /createPaymentIntent. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.